Good evening, friends and traders. I am Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. In my previous video, I had introduced for polynomial regression by Laxalgo. So that was only a single line. I felt I wanted something with like DGT linear regression presented with volatility bands, standard deviations. So I was searching for this. I got this indicator, Functional Polynomial Regression. This is the indicator, Functional Polynomial Regression Indicator. If you go to the indicator section, if you type in Function Polynomial Regression Indicator, this is the indicator by Ricardo Santos. It has got Editor's Pick Award. So it attracted my attention because this not only puts in the polynomial regression for identifying the trend, as well as it is plotting volatility band also. So I'm explaining how it has been constructed. This blue line is the polynomial regression line. That is the trend curve for your trade. And this adjusts dynamically based on the past price movements. Here, for my convenience, I have set it for, I'm going to the setting and I have set it for 80. 80 length means it will most probably go for 4 days back. If I'm trading on the 15 minutes, it will go for 4 days back and it will plot the polynomial regression trend band. So trend line. And degree of polynomial, I have selected 3. And fractal, this person has included fractals also. I have selected for 3 fractal. Instead of 2, I have selected for 3 fractal so that there will not be slippages. Sometimes, you will get false signals. So these 2 dashed black lines, where I am putting the arrow here, they are regression deviation bands. This is what I wanted actually. These likely represent 1 standard deviation levels from the polynomial regression line. This is from the 1 standard deviation. Another one is from the upper and lower bands. Okay. And the pink line, what you are seeing is the extreme 2 standard deviation band. This could be the boundary making extreme price movement. In statistical terms, 95% of price action usually stays within this boundary. Suppose if the price touches or breaks this level, it often signals oversold condition or continuation of the strong trend. So for the trading tip, what you need to do is, if the price touches the pink 2 standard deviation band, watch for reversal or strong trend continuation. If it coincides with the blue dotted support, no, we don't need this. This I have applied it. So if the price stays within the band and if it starts below the regression line, if the price comes below this regression line, it becomes bearish. If the price starts moving above the this blue dotted line, this is a trend curve. For that period, 15 minutes, the price is bullish. So you can go long in the market. Let us analyze the Nifty, how it has behaved today. Okay? With this polynomial regression, function polynomial regression, let me type in the Nifty here. See, I'll go to the 15 minutes. I'll reset. I'm combining this with the RSI. RSI, previous day, it was sold off. And while going home, even though it made a lower low, RSI showed a divergence. So this setting is available in your that usual RSI indicator. You can go there and you can, if you go to the settings, 1 minute, let me go to the settings, and you can enable this calculate divergence. For that, you need to have SMA. So if you put a SMA, it will calculate the divergence. Okay, type you should have SMA, that is the 14-period moving average. So it was bullish signal, and today what it did was, this line was the polynomial regression. So it was bearish. Immediately, when the market gapped up to this level, that was around 22,900, and if I place the cursor, we are getting 22,958. So market immediately reacted for that. It started coming down, started consolidating over here near the 1 standard deviation from this polynomial regression trend line. When the price started, even if you see, RSI was showing strength. In live market, it was a bit confusing actually. It was, market was going sideways, choppy for nearly how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. After an hour, around 10:45 only, market picked up and it started moving above this polynomial regression line. So it became bullish and the market moved higher. So 22,200 call option, it was around 220 or 225 or something. It climbed up to 337. So if you would let me go to that call option, you can see on your own. Even you can apply for the call option, 22,800 call option. Now it has closed around 251. See, you can see on here, even the RSI is showing divergence. There was a swift movement. Market started consolidating. The price was around 211, and the price picked up its momentum, started moving. It was a little bit lagging actually. It started moving here in this candle, and from there was no look back. When it touched the pink line, that is a 2 standard deviation extreme line, then it started reacting. There was a huge sell-off in the market. Within 2 15-minute candles, the market sold off nearly 180 points. 180 points. This polynomial regression is very useful for your trade. For example, today Axis Bank was very bullish. Let us apply Axis Bank stocks. How you could have taken trade in Axis Bank. See, here Axis Bank, the previous day it was near the extreme blue line. The market gapped up and it was above the polynomial regression line. This is the trend line. So it is the bullish line. So then there was no look back. Axis Bank, after the gap up, it started crossing this black dotted line, that is 1 standard deviation. It did not go to the 2 standard deviation, that is the pink line, there it started consolidating and there was a correction in the market in the Axis Bank. This is how you could have taken position in Axis Bank from 958 to it rallied up to 991. So 958 to 991, that is almost 40 points. That is 4.5% to 5% up move in the Axis Bank. So this is how you can make utilization of this polynomial function polynomial regression. Instead of using the previous one, polynomial regression extrapolation, which was coded by Lonesome, you can go for this polynomial function polynomial regression. So this one, this is the indicator. Look at this. This is the indicator. It has got Editor's Pick award. So you can buy Ricardo Santos. You go there and go to the read more section. You can read about how it is constructed. So it is an amazing indicator which will help you for trend identification. Trend is the friend, actually. If you are with the trend, there is no look back, actually. You will not do any mistakes. Okay, traders. Thank you very much for listening to me. Please do subscribe, support, and your likes matters to me. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.